I have here a TV stand. I'm going to show you how easy it is to put together, and then I'm going to have it in my living room here and make it look really nice. So I have piece 3, 4, these are 5s, and then these are 9s, these pieces. So I'm going to put the hardware in. You can just see it's going to be easy, comes with everything you need. The only thing I need is a drill or a screwdriver to put things in. Just make sure on these pieces, the nice piece is showing upward. So we got piece 6, 7, and 8 here. So when you put these pieces in, they go on the outside. Then these 2 little dowel pieces will go inside. Once you get those pieces in, you're going to end up sliding it in. So you're going to have one piece on each side, just like this. Now you'll take number 1, put the hardware in it so it's ready to go. Then take the 3 pieces you just assembled, and you're just going to slide them in, and you're going to add these little screw pieces to connect them into place here. So it's going to be easy to just put them right into place. Now you can put the backing pieces on, 15, 16, and 17. They just slide in. Make sure the one in the middle has the holes right here. So they're going to be for like your cords and stuff. So it's super easy to slide in. Now we have piece number 2 here. Put in the screws on all these spots, and now we're going to attach the feet. 2 go on that side, 2 go on this side, and we'll screw from the other side into the foot. Now this piece is going to sit directly on top of here, and then you're going to put in screws in these spots, and then it will be attached to the piece. Now these trimming pieces get pushed in, and then we'll just have to tighten them with those tightening screws. So just slip into place here, and it will help give a nice finish to it. Super, super easy. Then you just put these adjustable feet on in the middle so you can adjust it, and there'll be extra support for it as well. So we flipped it to the right side now, and now we have to just put on these covers for the doors here, put the hardware on. So now we just have to attach it to the piece here, and it will be done. So the last things you need to do, these just go on the very back to kind of secure the back into place. These are some little rubber feet to help the bottom, and then these go right by the doors here to help it from not banging, and then these can help cover up any of the screw holes that you can see that are visible. So this TV stand is really, really pretty. It's very easy to put together. You can see what it looks like now, and it's fun. I can put stuff on top of here, has nice storage space, and you can see it's elevated at the bottom as well. So it's gonna be easy to clean underneath it, or if you even wanted to put something underneath it, you probably could do that as well. It's really nice. It has some little charging cables right here, has 2 main plugs, then a USB and USB-C right here. So it's gonna be perfect for charging whatever you need. So to show you that this charger does work, there's a plug in the back. I already plugged it in, and then I can plug it into my iPad here. And then once you can see, it's showing that it's charging up there. So it's really nice if you have any devices or anything you need to charge, or if you have like a lamp you want to plug in here or other things, it's nice to just have it right there ready to go. So I have here a little plant light to show you. This is perfect to have a little plug here. So if I need, I can get some extra light to my cute plant here. So it'll be perfect and easy to use. On the very bottom here, there's adjustable feet, so you can adjust it so you can have all the stability you need for this TV stand. And it has really nice fluted design here. On the front here, it's really, really pretty, and it has really nice hinges here. So if I push to close it, it's going to be a slow closing hinge, and it's really quiet. You can even hear it shut. So I got both the doors open to show you how much space it's got. It holds things perfectly, strong and sturdy. So it's going to be perfect for anybody looking for a nice TV stand. So the color of the wood grain is really, really pretty. It fits any decor really nicely, and it looks really nice in my living room. So each of the doors have a little silent pad, so it has this to help it so it doesn't bang, and with the slow closing door hinges, it's going to help it that much more. So in the middle here, you can see there's 2 holes. They're going to be great for cables, so if you have anything that you need to plug in, you're going to have the access right there. So this TV stand's really nice. It's really strong and sturdy. It could hold a TV if you needed to directly on this. I already had my TV up there. It flows really nicely with what I already got. So it's really fun, really easy to put together, and really nice. It's super pretty, and I'm excited to have it in my living room.